How to fix the new Outlook app is not opening in Windows 11. So if you're trying to open Outlook but it's not working, I'll show you two ways on how to solve the issue. So the first thing is just go and open up the Start menu on your computer. You can then search for the word Outlook and you'll need to right click on the app and click on App Settings. Now scroll down to Terminate and click on the Terminate button. You can then scroll down to Reset and press Repair. And now finally click Reset and then go and press Reset. Once you've done this, you'll need to go and close out of this window. Open up your Start menu, search for the word Run and click on the Run icon. Now type in %, local app data, %, and press Enter. Scroll down the page and double click on this folder called Microsoft. And you'll see two folders called OLK and also OneAuth. Now go and select both of these folders like so. You can then click on the trash icon and then wait a few seconds while this deletes from your computer. Once it's finished, you can open up your Start menu again. You can then type in Outlook and you should now be able to open the app without any issues.